started with the name of Almighty Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Today our dilemma of the talk is the rules of resonance. And this is for your special interest that you did talk to me, that is your CR requested me that I should deliver a lecture on YouTube. So early in the morning I did deliver it on Zoom. Now I am sharing it with you on the YouTube as well. The rules of resonance. I did talk to you what a resonance is. To and fro motion from the central point is designated as resonance. And in that respect, I did talk to you what are the techniques, technique number 1, technique number 2 and technique number 3. And currently we are dealing with the rules of this resonance. 7 rules are there in rule number 1, rule number 2, rule number 3, rule number 4, rule number 5, rule number 6 and 7, which governs the resonance. And knowing these 7 rules and 3 techniques, you could be able to understand the actual structure of the compound. And in that respect, we will be sharing these rules one by one. So now the rule number 1, in that respect, the selection of the canonical structures which contributes to a resonance hybrid is guided by the following rules. Now, if you look at this is benzene molecule. We draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We draw 5 structures. If you sum up these 5, we could be able to reach that this is the hybrid structure which comes out of these 5. That means at the moment electron are here, electron are here, electron are here, here, electron are here, electron are here, electron are here, 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 here. But if you sum up these 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 by 5, what will be? That means the structure is like this. Electrons are revolving between this entire benzene. So this is the actual structure of benzene which is presented by the resonance theory. So now electrons are always remain rotating in it. This is the actual presentation. As the calculator said in the dream, some snake is sitting here and like that, and he was 2 at that time, and he gave the actual presentation of the benzene molecule. So now this is the hybrid form which is in our imagination, and the actual structure will be in your imagination. So the selection of the canonical structure which contribute to resonance hybrid is guided by the following rule. How we could be able to know the actual structure is this. To understand this, we should have to follow 1, 2, 3 techniques and rules 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7. 7 rules we should understand and techniques would be knowing. Then we could be able to understand the actual structure of a compound. So to let you to know that to be a pretty good pharmacist, almost 70% drugs are being synthesized by heterocyclic compound which are being explained by the resonance theory, and out of that 30% are being regulated by another theory that is called as molecular orbital theory. So therefore we should have to understand those theories in which maximum drugs falls. So that is the resonance, and I am going to explain it to you, the rules. Rule number 1 says all the contributing structure should be Lewis structure. This means Lewis was the scientist who first of all gave these sort of different structures. For instance, in any canonical structure, the maximum number of covalent bonds that an atom may have is 1 for hydrogen, 4 for carbon, 4 for nitrogen when there is a negative charge on nitrogen, 3 for oxygen and 2 for halogens. Now you can understand out of these the following example illustrate this rule, that is, one covalent bond for hydrogen, 4 covalent bond for carbon, 4 covalent bond for nitrogen, 3 covalent bond for oxygen and 2 for halogens. This is the rule which governs rule number 1. So how does this could be explained now? I'm going to provide you the examples, and in that example, first of all, we would like to share with you the structure of acetate ion. Here is that one. This is negative charge. This is acetate ion. This pi electron will move here and negative charge will goes there, and the next canonical form would be this. And the third would not exist, though you have structurally made it, but logically, legally, through the language of chemistry, this is not existing here, because carbon has got 4 covalent bonds, 2, 1, 3, 4, 2, 1, 3, 4, total 4. Here is 4, but in here there is 2, 2, 4 plus 1, 5 covalent bonds. The carbon cannot attain 5 covalent bonds, therefore this structure is not valid. Structure 3 is not a contributor because the carboxylic carbon atom, this is a carboxylic carbon atom, has 5 covalent bonds. Also note that when the oxygen atom has 1 covalent bond, it bears a unit negative charge, while the divalent oxygen atom is electrically neutral. When 3 bonds are written for an oxygen atom, it has a unit positive charge on it, and when the 4 covalent bonds are written for nitrogen, it has attained a positive charge upon it. Similarly, the case is with that of oxygen. Now, the example is of hydrogen. Hydrogen has got only 1 covalent bond. So, this is the structure of acetic acid. Now, you can see there is 1 hydrogen atom, and in the canonical form, this could be written that these pi electron moves here, and this would be having a positive charge therein. So now you can say there is 1 hydrogen bond, so therefore this is again valid structure. Now this structure has got, looking into it, 2 covalent bond attached with that of hydrogen. This structure cannot exist according to the rule number 1. So there is another example. The structure C is not allowed because the hydrogen atom has 2 covalent bonds. Again, consider the resonance picture of the nitrogen compound. In that respect, similarly, you can see this is nitrogen. This has got 2, 1, 1, 4 covalent bond with positive charge, that is of nitrogen. Similarly, another canonical form, you can see these pi electron move here, negative charge will go there, and it will be in this way. Again, there is 4 covalent bond and nitrogen attains a positive charge. This is valid structure. Herein, this structure is not valid, invalid, as the rule number 1 says. For nitrogen, when it attains a positive charge, it should have 4 covalent bonds. Therefore, there are 2, 2, 1, 5 covalent bonds. This structure do not exist in chemistry. This was the rule number 1. The structure 3, which I did explain already. The structure 3 has 5 covalent bonds for the nitrogen atom, and therefore is not allowed. Note that when the nitrogen atom has 4 covalent bonds, it has a unit positive charge on it. Similarly, if the nitrogen has got 3 covalent bonds, it has got a unit positive charge upon it. Now the second rule of resonance. The various contributing structure of the compound may differ only in the distribution of electron. The relative position of the atom remain unchanged from structure to structure. In the following case, this is acetoacetic ester. Now, this sign indicates equivalence. These two structures are equivalent. They are not canonical. Now, what is there in one hydrogen has moved here and 5 electron moves here, and this structure would be there. And the rule of resonance says atom cannot move. It is the only electron which can move. In this case, the one of hydrogen atom has been moved. Therefore, these are not two canonical structures. They are equivalent to each other in a way. They are having in it tautomerism in it. So this is a pretty good example of tautomerism. Structure A and B represent two different compounds which are equivalent with each other. They are not canonical forms of the same compound, as the position of hydrogen atom has changed in going from A to B. So this atom has reached here, electron moved here. So this is equivalent structure. This keep on going like this. But it is not a canonical form because hydrogen has been moved. So no atom cannot move from one place to another place in the case of resonance. In the resonance, it is only the electron move, never atom move. Therefore, this is a pretty good example of tautomerism. You can understand it. Rule number 3. All the contributing structure of a given resonance hybrid must have the same number of unpaired electrons. For example, the following structure does not contribute to the molecule of 1,3-butadiene as it has 2 unpaired electrons. Now you can see this is the actual structure of 1,3-butadiene and its canonical form would be like this. But this cannot be written in this way. Unpaired 1 electron and 1 electron. There should be paired. Look, this is paired electron, this is paired electron. So what happened? 1 electron moves here. You can write down like this. 1 electron move here. You can write down like this. This is not the good presentation. You cannot write it in this way. This is unpaired electron. There should be shared paired of electron. Shared paired of electron. Therefore, this presentation of 1,3-butadiene is not valid. This is the valid form and this is its canonical form which can be written in this way. So these are the 3 different rules of resonance which we have discussed. Okay, beta, if you cannot understand still anything in this respect, you can talk to me. You have got my mobile number 030041630075 and you can talk to me whenever, wherever you like. Thank you very much, my son and daughter. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.